Hi everyone, Emily here of EmilyBuffer.com. This video will show you how to install alternative hair extensions. You can see here that my hair is sort of medium length, maybe a little bit long. I usually keep it at about 9 to 10 inches. You can also see that I have some shaved sides that are about inch and a half wide, starting at my hairline and going back on just the sides. So first thing I'm going to do is comb out my hair a little bit to get the knots out, and then I'm going to start sectioning. So you can see I used a rat tail comb to just take out the first section, which is right in between my two shaved sides. I do suggest scraping all of the hair back that you're not going to be working with and getting it out of the way, so that way it doesn't get in with the rest of your hair that you're just trying to braid. So here we go. I have some coconut oil and I'm going to get a dab and rub it between my palms and then smooth it into my hair. This will help when you're trying to braid to keep the hair from doing, flyaways, and also when it's actually installed, it will also help stop flyaways to put a bit of coconut oil. You can also use something like aloe vera gel, but I use coconut oil because it has moisturizing properties so that when the extensions are installed, my hair can soak up all that goodness. Because the natural oils produced by your scalp will not move down the hair shaft due to the extensions. So now I'm going to brush my hair straight up, and then I'm going to section this big section into 4 smaller sections. So I do a middle part, and then I'm going to take one side and kind of twist it and put it behind my ear so it's out of the way. Then I'm going to work with this section, and I'm going to split that one in half as well at the end of my rat tail comb. Now you can see that there's not as much hair in each portion because the hair towards my shaved side is thinner, but I want the actual extension base to be the same size on my scalp, so I don't worry about how thin or thick my hair is in that certain area. Now I'm going to take a double-ended extension and I'm going to put the very middle at the base of the hair section that I have out, and then I'm going to start with a blanket stitch braid. So you can see I'm doing it really tight, but not so tight that it hurts. You don't want to put too much tension on your hairs or it can actually cause tension balding. So don't do that. So I'm blanket stitch braiding, and then I'm going to flip the whole thing forward and I'm going to do a regular braid, mostly because it's faster, but also because it kind of look like the look of the braid down the hair extension. So this is just like a regular 3-way braid, over, under, over, under. And finally, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band at the end. I'm just using typical black rubber bands from any beauty shop that you can find. They are latex rubber bands, so if you're allergic to latex, please do not use that type. There are silicone ones available. So I kind of twist the hair around, and then I'm going to get my rubber band and just wrap it around a few times. I don't think you should do it too tight because then you could stress the rubber band and it may snap. So tight, but not overly tight. And then I'm going to get my next section, and you'll see me split that one in half. I'm obviously using hair clips. You could also use bobby pins to help keep everything neat and tidy. And I keep flicking back all my little flyaway hairs so that they stay out of the way. So I split that section in half, and I'm going to take a double-ended extension, and I'm going to place the very middle at the base of my scalp. And again, I'm going to blanket stitch braid until I'm about halfway done with my natural hair. And then I'll flip it forward to do a regular braid, just over, under, over, under. Pardon my lip syncing. I am singing along to System of the Down. It's their Toxicity album. So you can see I just brushed down some fly hairs that we're trying to get in with the braid. One problem that I do have is that sometimes one half of the braid, my natural hair, will be longer than the other, so I might do a little wrap to get them to be the same exact length, and then continue down braiding. So you just literally just wrap it around the extension, and then you just continue your braid. And then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. So that's sort of the large view of how to do hair extensions. You just keep sectioning and you keep working that way. I'll do a closer up video of how to actually do the braiding part. Thanks for watching.